call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my beautiful sunshine gang. And y'all, I know I'm sitting out here looking wretched right now because I'm actually in my pajamas because it is late at night and the kids are asleep, and I just want to let y'all know what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be switching it up, so I'm going to be giving my wigs a break for a while, but do not be disappointed because I still will be doing wig reviews. So tonight, I am going to be doing a quick weave, and y'all, it's been a while since I had a quick weave. It's been a long time, like some years ago. And I gotta say, since then, synthetic wigs and weaves have really been, like, the hair companies have really been stepping their game up with the synthetic wigs and the synthetic weaves. So I decided to switch it up and to try something different. I'm not going to record the whole thing because I don't want to take up too much of y'all time with me doing this installment because I am not a pro. I have done quick weave. I have done quick weaves in the past, but that was like some years ago, and so I'm not very good at it. But if y'all want to see how it turns out, then just keep watching this video. And this is the type of hair I'm going to be using. It's from Boutique Premium Multi Blend Rogue, and y'all, this hair is from Outre, and she has a 4-inch deep lace parting closure, and the style is loose body, and it's in the color 99J. And this is how the assignment looks on the stock card. And this, I'm just gonna show y'all the closure for right now. Look at this closure, and the lace is not hard at all. It's very little. It looks like transparent, it kind of looks like the, I guess, the HD lace or the transparent lace that's out now. This is how it looks on the closure, and it's a 4-inch part. And the closure, it doesn't say how long the closure is. I guess I would say about 14 inches, but look at the color. And look at the pattern. It's a very pretty curl pattern. And yes, this hair is synthetic. And it's 14, 16, 18, and 20 inches long. These are the bundles right here. I can't wait to see how this is gonna look on me, y'all. And if y'all wanted to know, I already molded my hair down. I actually have a nude cap on, and I used this protective shield. It's hair and scalp protection, and glue never touches your natural hair. It's from Robert's Diamond Bun, and this is I use this to mold my hair down, along with the Softy Extra Hold Protein Styling Gel. And I also used the Got2b glue freeze spray. And I gelled my hair down like 2 days ago, which was, I gelled it down Friday. yeah, I gelled it down Friday or Saturday, and I just let it air dry over time. And then when I done that, I also I sprayed it again with the Got2b, and I also put my cap on and I sprayed it down too, so my cap can be secure when I get ready to do my quick weave. And I'm also going to be using this lace tint spray. It's semi-permanent lace wigs lace tint spray, and it's in the color beige, and I got this from my local beauty supply store also. I think this was like $6, and it tells you the color. It's like 3 pumps. It say find your perfect shade. Like the more you spray, the darker the shade will be. And I also got my oil-free wig shine, but I don't know, I'm probably gonna put this on at the end of when I get done installing it, or I might put it on while I'm installing it. I don't know yet. And I also got my super hair bun glue from Salon Pro. I also got all the products I got from my local beauty supply store. Except for this this Perfect Edge Control. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and it's from Softy. And I got this Murray's Edge Wax from Dollar General. I think this was like $4, I want to say. And if you want to know about the pricing of the synthetic wig that I'm about to install, I will also link that video in the description box, because like I was getting a lot of comments on that video, and I did that video like last year during the summer, and I was like, oh, I want to see how it looks when you get it installed. So today, y'all will get y'all wishes will come true. So like I said, if you want to know how it turns out, if y'all want to know if I failed at it or if I did good, just stay tuned. Excuse my edges and my nappy roots back here, but y'all, I only installed one bundle, which is the 20 inch bundles, and this is how it's looking already. And look at that color. That color is so pretty. I was sleeping on this color, but it's actually a very pretty color. And y'all, I may not even have to use all, how many bundles it came in? 1, 2, 3, 4. I might only just have to use 3 bundles, because to me this is looking full already. I'm gonna turn to the back so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Like I said, excuse my nappy roots, y'all, but this is how it looks in the back. To me it looks, I guess I'll let y'all see my mistakes now, since I'm halfway finished. Right now I am installing the last track of the 18 inches. I just wanted to show y'all like how the hair looks when it's like put together. I'm running my fingers through it, y'all. I'm not getting any shading. This is some nice synthetic hair, y'all. And this is what I've done so far. I think it's gonna look real nice when I finish. This is some body wave style hair. It has a really nice shine to it. It don't look too like fake. You know how fake shiny hair looks, but it doesn't look like this. It looks like there's a nice shine to it, but I'm probably still gonna use my wig shine. So let's get on with it. This is all I've been doing. I've just been using my hair glue. It's cutting track. and using my hair glue. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look right here. As y'all can see, I'm running my fingers through, and I'm not getting any snags or tangling. Oh, I got one snag, but the tangling on this hair is not bad, y'all. And I didn't even use the whole bundle. I didn't use the 14-inch. That was like the only bundle that I had left, and I did not use it. I only used the 20 and the 18. Yeah, I only used the 20. I only used the 20, the 18, and the 16 inches. So I only used 3 bundles of hair. And for my closure, I just did like a regular closure part, like you would see on a wig. To me, that was easier for me to do. Because like I said, y'all, I am not a pro at this, but I really do like this hair. I like the texture of this hair. It doesn't feel like the hard, coarse synthetic hair that you would buy like back in the day. And plus, this is from Outre, and Outre do have, I know they have like pretty good wigs out there, but I never really bought synthetic bundles from them. And y'all, I really like it. I really like how everything turned out. I really do. And I'm 5'7", y'all, and this is how long the hair is on me. And look, you can do a head toss. You can do a head toss. And you ain't got to worry about her, tangling up. It's like I basically made my own wig. I like the pattern. I like this body wave. I really do. I really like the color. You can see the color real good when I get into the lighting more. And y'all, that is it for this video. And thanks for tuning in.
Hands in the fire.